Today, I'll walk you through how to create a walking route on Google Maps, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to map out your own walking path so you can explore new areas with confidence. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is the first step in our journey. Once you're on the Google homepage, look for the grid icon, often referred to as the Apps icon, located in the upper right corner. Click on it to reveal a menu of Google services. From this menu, select Maps. This will take you directly to Google Maps where all the magic happens. Now that you're in Google Maps, look for the Saved option on the left sidebar and click on it. This is where you can access your saved locations and maps. Next, click on Maps again, which will lead you to your saved maps. To create a new walking route, click on Open My Maps. This feature allows you to customize your own map. Now look for the button that says Create a New Map. Click on it to start fresh with a new map. Once your new map is open, click on Create. This will set the stage for you to begin drawing your walking route. To draw your route, click on the Draw a Line option. This tool allows you to trace your desired path on the map. Next, select Add Walking Route. This option is specifically designed for creating pedestrian-friendly paths. Now it's time to start making your route. Click on the map to plot your starting point and continue clicking to add points along your desired path. As you draw, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google often updates its interface. Just follow along with the steps. Continue adding points until your route is complete. You can adjust the line as needed to ensure it follows the paths you want to take. Once you're satisfied with your walking route, you can save it for future reference. Finally, if you want to see your route in a different perspective, click on View in Google Earth. This will allow you to explore your route in a 3D environment. And there you have it. You've successfully created a walking route on Google Maps. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.